Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna see Newton forward difference formula in R programming language. Newton forward difference formula is a finite difference identity giving an interpolated value between tabulated points in terms of first value and the power of the difference. So here's the formula, like Fa equals to F naught plus A delta F plus 1 upon 2 factorial A minus 1 delta square plus 1 upon 3 factorial A minus 1 A minus 2 delta cube and so on. Since delta is, these are the differences, we can calculate this from difference table. The generalized formula for Newton forward difference is like f of a x plus a is equals to summation of a n delta n fx upon n factorial, where n is from 0 to infinity. So here's a small program that solves Newton forward difference formula. Here we have taken the n as the integer, that is the number of values we want to feed in our table. X is the x holds the vector from 0 to n, that is the values that we can feed into the table, and y is the values that we will feed into the table. Then we have taken the for loop to take as input of x and y. Then we have initialized a matrix A. Then we have just this for loop is the code for the generating the difference table. As you can see, we have two for loop, and if j is equals to 1, then a of ij equals to y of I plus 1 minus yi, that is it is the initial values are been fed to the difference table. Else the a of ij is equals to a of I plus 1 comma j minus 1 minus a of I comma j minus 1, that is the subsequent differences are to be calculated and fed into the table. So now no is the number that we want to take, on which we want to find the point or the value in the table. Let it be no. Then we have calculated the value of u is equals to no minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here x2 minus x1 is the difference of adjacent values of x, that is also known as h or the delta x, we can call it. Then we have printed the value of matrix, that's not so important. Then sum is equals to y of 1, that is according to our formula. We have just this, if this is if we are taking this as sum, then we have just initialized it by taking the first term, adding initializing it by first term, then adding the subsequent terms into it. So in our program we have taken sum is equals to f of y of 1. Then we have taken a for loop that would converge from 1 to n minus 1, and then product, we have initialized a prod variable that will store the product, and also initialized a for loop that is from j from 0 to I minus 1. Then product is equals to prod into u minus j, and product is equals to factorial of I. This is all according to our formula as I've displayed you previously. Then sum is equals to sum plus product into a of 1 comma I, and then we have printed the value of sum. So on sourcing this program, you just source it and taken the output and then taken the input, like first it want to enter us the value of n. We have entered it as 5. Then enter the value of x and y subsequently, the value of x and corresponding value of y. We have entered like 1 comma 6, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 2, and 5 comma minus 6. Then it asks us, then it prompts that what number you want to find, at what point you want to find the value of y. So let it be 3.8. Then for this we got the answer of like 3.984. So at point 3.8, the y value is 3.984. So here is the program for Newton's forward difference in R programming language. Thank you.